Nice try, Lao She.
Aw, thanks, baby.
Nice try.
I'm sorry, but I feel as if I know you from somewhere.
Nice try, Buster.
Strike one.
Nice try, son.
Nice try, Fred.
Nice try, Fred.
Nice try.
Nice try, but you have to get a bill before you have a hearing.
Like this one?
Nice try, Mortimer.
Nice try, Brainiac.
Oh, nice try, piggies. Newsflash, we're not idiots.
You should call that girl Sandy's. See if she'll come over.
No thanks. Nice try, though.
Nice try, kid, but I think you just brought a knife to a gunfight.
The hospital said that I could fly pretty soon.
Nice try. You need to stay in bed so we can keep your contractions under control.
Hey, that's crazy, man. Something's wrong. We need to get together and talk.
Nice try.
Bob?
Nice try.
Really, Lloyd? You do that?
Me? Yeah, right. Nice try. Nerve.
Oh, I'm almost out of power. I gotta get out of this thing. I'll be right there.
Nice try. You got a spit right there.
Once upon a time, there was a big fat pink idiot who went to sleep. The end!
Nice try, but it's gonna take more than that to...
Who loves you, baby?
Nice try, John.
Roy, I'm sorry.
You ever gonna tell me your name?
Arthur.
Nice try. But you're no Arthur.